Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Leo Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun is very important planet for you people because Sun is your ascendant. Sun controls your first house. Sun is your ascendant lord. First house set the map of your chart. So Sun is right now passing from your 12th house in the sign of Pisces, where many planets are right now present in your 8th house, as we discussed in our last month prediction video. So, Sun will stay into your 8th house till 14th April 2025. After 14th April, Sun will move from your 8th house to 9th house in the sign of Aries. So, 8th house deal with your secretive activities, your in-laws related matter. If you are married, so your spouse's family is also seen from 8th house. Your unearned money, your sexual relationship, your extramarital affair, your sexual activity, your secretive work, all of these things are related by 8th house. Sudden positive event, sudden negative event, all of these things is represented by 8th house. So, hidden knowledge, hidden secret, hidden studies, all of these things are represented by 8th house and 12th house. So, Sun will stay into your 8th house till 14th April, and Mercury as well right now starting from your 8th house in its debilitation sign in its retrograde motion. So till 14th April, so Sun is present into your 8th house. You may face some disturbing result. If you are married right now from your in-laws related matter, you may suddenly have some good opportunity due to presence of Venus as well, along with Sun into your 8th house till 14th April. But Mercury creating some disturbance due to its debilitation sign, also moving in its retrograde motion, and Mercury controls your 11th house, house of gains, house of fulfillment, hopes, and wishes, your desire, your support system. Also, control second house, your savings, your money matters, your bank account. So, till 14th May, especially Mercury will stay retrograde till 8th April. So, till 8th April, and after that 14th April, the Sun is present into your 8th house. You may face some disturbance, especially psychologically. You may face some disturbing feeling during this time period, but you need to wait till 14th April. Things will work into your favor when Sun will move from your 8th house to your 9th house in the sign of Aries in its exalted position. Before that, Mercury will also come back to its direct motion into your 8th house. So you will face the relief after Mercury come back to its direct motion into your 8th house. When Sun will move from 8th house to 9th house in its exalted position, 9th house will be your teachers, your mentor, your guider, your advisor, your higher education related matter. Like if you are doing some post-grade education from your 8th house. Post-grade education is also seen from your 9th house. Your religious matter, your religious inclination, your how lucky you are, your fortune is seen from your 9th house. Your teachings of your father figure into your life, your coach, your mentor, your guider, your advisor. All of these people are seen from your 9th house. Your long trips of travel, pilgrimages, visiting some religious places are seen from 9th house. So when the Sun will move from your 8th house to your 9th house, it's exalted position because now your 9th house carries the Aries sign, and Sun considered as exalted in the sign of Aries. That's why we can expect you will have a lot of opportunity to travel related matter. If you want to travel somewhere, also you will have some fortunate result regarding your education related matter. If you are in education like you are doing some post-grad education, then we can expect there will be a lot of good results. You will have a lot of support from your teachers. You will get the good support, supportive teacher during this time period. The sun will be translating from your 9,000. You will have the good result. If you're looking for travel, then we can also expect there will you will get the chance to travel somewhere because sun will illuminate the significance of your 9th house, especially after 14th April. Mercury, as we discussed previously, right now moving its retrograde motion, controlling your 11th house and second house. You need to very careful regarding your expenditure related matter. No, you don't need to run too much for money matters like worldly gain because Ketu is already transiting from your second house. And Mercury is taking Ketu's energy, second house energy, and 11th house energy into your 8,000, moving its debilitation sign. Especially till 8th April, you need to be very careful when you're expending money and when you're deciding to do something. Is regarding your gains related matter, regarding your support system, regarding your elder brother and sisters related matter. Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And as we discussed previously, Venus is right now also present your 8th house in the sign of Pisces. So Venus is right now in its exalted position. Your third house, your efforts, your communication ability, your courage will be very high during this time period. You will take interest a lot of if your work is somehow connected to secret, like you are working in a secretive agencies, like you are working as an astrologer, like you are digging deep to find out something, like you are into gem person. You dig deep into earth to find gems, etc., etc. All of these, yeah, like you're just doing some research studies. All of these things are seen from 8th house. So your third house of effort plot is right now starting from your 8th house and exalted position. So there will you will get good result if you are doing these kinds of job right now. Also, start out little with your hands. You may have good result. You will put a lot of effort. You will get result of that effort in a good way, because Venus is right now in an exalted position into your 8th house. You may not put a lot of effort, but you will get the good revenue during this time period process of your third house lord into your 8th house. Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is starting from your for 9th house in the sign of Aries. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st April 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your birth chart, in your transit chart. So first of all, whenever moon is transiting from your 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulty in your life, because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we can expect we may have issues, problem and difficulty in our life. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit. Mars controls your 9th house and your 4th house. And right now, Mars is transiting from your 11th house in the sign of Gemini for a long time previously, because Mars was previously moving in retrograde motion as well. But right now, Mars is in direct motion. And around 3rd April 2025, Mars will move from your 11th house to 12th house in the sign of Cancer. Here is an important thing about Cancer sign and Mars. Mars considered debilitated, means weak. Cancer sign considered as weak sign for Mars. So you need to be very careful regarding your expenditures related matter, as we discussed previously in Mercury, such as especially till 8th April, because your Mars, which controls your 9th house, will be into your 12th house. 12th house will be the expenses, your losses, and Sun, which is your ascendant, will be in the house of Mars into your 9th house after 14th April. So this situation will create a circumstances like you may expend your money on unnecessary thing during this time, so you will get regretted after that. So you need to be very careful when you're expending your money, especially till Mars is transiting from your 12th house in the sign of Cancer, because Mars will be in debilitated state. Also, you may travel from your homeland to some different country. There will be you will get opportunities, because four Mars control your 4th house, your homeland. If you want to move from your birth to some different country, then there will be a possibility, so you can have the travel accessibility during this time period easily. uh, Mars also controls your 9th house, so 9th house Lord will be targeting from your 12th house. That's why we are saying 9th house connected to travel, and 4th house, 12th house is a foreign land. So there is a high possibility you will get the chance to travel somewhere during this time, especially after 14th April. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of April. Our today's video monthly prediction of April 2025 for all the Leo ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.